Okay, so today we're going to be installing this really cool and YRU car phone holder. A brand sent me this to try out, and it's pretty simple. Just comes with the part that we're going to stick it to, the holder itself, and a little manual along with some cleaning wipes. So I'm going to clean the surface, follow the directions here. There's the directions, really simple. And then we're going to see how it works on my daughter's iPhone 13. Alright, so we got the area clean. We did the wet wipe, then we did the dry wipe. I'll let it dry for a little bit more and then put it on there. We are going to put it right here. It says firmly press for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then suction cup it. And now it says to wait for 20 minutes before we use it. So we'll be back in 20 minutes. Okay, so you see we got the thing on here. It's been about 20 minutes. Looks strong. So now we are going to loosen it. Put it on here. Get it where we want it. And then once you get it on here, you're going to tighten it up. Get where you want it. This is an iPhone 13 Pro Max. You stick it on there. That's going to hold it automatically. See? And you can freely touch your phone whenever you need. See, it sticks on there really good. It's not going to be coming out, hitting bumps or anything like that. You can hit these 2 buttons on the side. It's going to release automatically. Just take your phone out and you're ready to go. So it's that easy. Stick it in there. It's going to automatically squeeze. When you're ready to take it out, hit the buttons, it comes right out. And this little piece right here adjusts as well. You can go up and down with it. Not that you're going to have to mess with that too much. But if you need a nice strong phone holder, and it even has the, if it is going to be touching your dash, it has a little rubber piece right here that's going to protect the dash from any kind of scuffs or anything like that. This thing right here is very nice. It's like wood grain looking. Very elegant looking for a car charger, or a car holder, sorry. And it works well. That's what you need from a holder, is for it to hold. And this does it very well. I'm Jace. I'll see you next time.